Okay, now suppose I added this information. Now I want to update this. So for that, let me just add another information in here, like English, like Jahid. Enter. Is another one. Nice. Enter. So if I see the information, see all the information is there, but I didn't change the ID one, so all of them is 111. So okay, so like suppose I make this mistake. Oh, I didn't change the ID for this and ID for the 2 and 3. I didn't do this one. Okay, so now I want to update this information. So for that, what I have to do, I have to give the update. Then I have to give the table name, like which table I want to update. The students. After that, I'm going to set the value set. After that, I'm going to set the value, like suppose the ID. So the set, then the ID, which will be 2. And after that, where, like in which section, like there is 3, so I have to specify an individual one, like that doesn't match with another one. So for that, where, then the name for the name, which is for the like Jahid. Okay, sorry, have to make it right. Right. Okay, so in here I'm updating the students table and I'm setting the ID value to 2, where the name Jahid. Jahid means in this Jahid row I'm changing the ID from 1 to 2. So if I hit enter, okay. mm, okay, I think I misspell it. Wait, let me see. I didn't specify the double quotes, sorry. It's a string, so therefore I should double quotes. Okay, see, row matched or one changed. So if I see the information, select dot from the students, see the Jahid ID has been changed to 2. So that's how you're going to update the information in a table.